What resources are available for victims of synthetic identity fraud? If you have been a victim of synthetic identity fraud, you might be wondering what resources can help you navigate this challenging situation. Understanding your options is the first step toward recovery. Financial institutions like banks and credit unions have established specific procedures to assist victims. When you suspect synthetic identity fraud, the first thing to do is report it directly to your bank or credit union's fraud department. These departments have specialized teams trained to investigate these cases and can initiate internal reviews to identify any fraudulent accounts or transactions linked to synthetic identities. Additionally, banks and credit unions work closely with credit reporting agencies. If a synthetic identity is detected, your financial institution can collaborate with credit bureaus to flag or remove fraudulent credit files associated with that identity. It is also a good idea to regularly monitor your credit reports. This helps you spot any unauthorized activity, as synthetic identities can create false credit files that may affect real individuals, especially vulnerable groups like children or the elderly. Many financial institutions also offer identity theft protection services. These services can alert you to suspicious activity and guide you on how to secure your accounts and personal information. It is wise to take practical steps to protect yourself. Secure your personal information and be cautious about sharing sensitive data online. Regularly review your account statements and credit reports. Utilizing multi-factor authentication and strong passwords for online banking can also add an extra layer of security. If you experience fraud, report it promptly to both your financial institution and the credit bureaus. This quick action can help limit financial damage and aid in restoring your financial standing. In addition to direct support from your bank or credit union, you can access broader industry resources. Financial institutions participate in initiatives that share information with regulatory bodies and fraud prevention networks. These collaborations aim to improve detection technologies, such as machine learning and biometric verification, which help prevent synthetic identity fraud before it causes harm. In summary, the resources available to victims of synthetic identity fraud include direct support from fraud departments at banks and credit unions, credit report monitoring and correction services, identity protection offerings, and access to industry-wide fraud prevention tools. By utilizing these resources, you can take proactive steps to detect synthetic identity fraud early and work towards restoring your financial health.